Have you ever wondered why some businesses make a lot of money while others barely survive, even with similar sales? The answer often comes down to one simple metric: profit margin. Welcome to Blockboard, the channel where we make complex tech simple. Today, let's uncover profit margin. Profit margin is a financial ratio that shows how much profit a company keeps from every dollar it earns in sales. In simple terms, it answers the question: out of every dollar this business makes, how much does it actually keep? Profit margin is calculated using a simple formula. Profit margin equals net income divided by net sales. Net income is what's left after subtracting all expenses, including operating costs and taxes, from total revenue. Net sales are total sales after returns or refunds. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a company earns $100,000 in sales during the year. Its total expenses are $50,000. The profit margin would be $50,000 divided by $100,000, which equals 50%. That means the company keeps 50 cents of profit for every dollar in sales. Profit margin is important because it shows how efficiently a business operates. Managers use it to track performance and control costs. Investors use it to see whether a company is healthy and profitable. A declining profit margin can signal problems. It might mean rising expenses, weak pricing, or falling demand. That's why businesses monitor this number very closely. However, profit margin has an important limitation. It's most useful when comparing companies within the same industry. Let's compare two very different stores. Store X is a discount retailer. It sells a lot of products at low prices and has high operating costs. Store Y sells luxury handbags. It has fewer customers, higher prices, and much lower overhead. Store Y may have a much higher profit margin, but Store X could still make more total money because of higher sales volume. That's why comparing profit margins across different industries can be misleading. Profit margin tells you how much profit a business keeps from its sales. It's a powerful tool, as long as you understand its context and limitations. That's all for today's breakdown. If this helped you understand how businesses really make money, subscribe and stay tuned for more insights right here on Blockboard.